Today we're making this delicious family favourite chicken parmesan. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. My chicken parmesan, or parmigiana, is crispy baked chicken nestled into a simple marinara sauce and topped with melted mozzarella cheese. The kids are gonna love it. I've got the oven preheating to 200C or 400F, and we're going to start with the marinara sauce. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a medium-sized pan over a medium heat. Add an onion that's been peeled and diced and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often until softened. Next in goes a minced clove of garlic and cook that for a further minute. Now add in 400 grams or 14 ounces of passata, a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of sugar. Stir and bring to the boil, then simmer gently for 10 minutes, then turn off the heat. Whilst the sauce is simmering, we're going to prepare the chicken. I've got 2 large chicken breasts here, which are enough to feed a family of 4. We're going to slice them carefully through the middle so we end up with 4 thin chicken fillets. We're going to dust each of them with plain or all-purpose flour. We need about 3 tablespoons altogether. Now add 2 eggs to a bowl and give them a quick whisk. In a second bowl, we're going to add a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 40 grams or 1.4 ounces of grated Parmesan, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to 75 grams or 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Stir together until the panko is evenly coated. Now we're going to coat the chicken, first in the egg and then in the panko. Then place in a large baking dish. Place in the preheated oven for 10 minutes until the breadcrumbs are lightly browned. So now we're taking the chicken out of the oven and we're just going to place it on a plate. Spread the base of the dish with 3/4 of the marinara sauce, then place the chicken back on top. Top the chicken fillets with the remaining marinara sauce. I've got 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of mozzarella here that I've sliced quite thickly, and we're going to place that on top of the chicken. And then we're going to sprinkle on another 40 grams or 1.4 ounces of Parmesan and 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. Place in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is golden and piping hot throughout. I'm serving mine with spaghetti and a sprinkling of fresh basil. There you go, that's my homemade chicken parmesan. Easier than you might think and a meal the whole family can enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.